So here you can see first option is define custom tile shapes. So basically this will help you to create any kind of tile pattern using a custom shape. So first you have to draw a custom shapes. Like here I am drawing a rectangle that is a 1 feet by 1 feet. Okay. Now here I need to design some different patterns like this one. This kind of pattern I want to generate on my tile. So just I am using a arc tool to making some new kind of patterns like that. So just you have to delete this face now. Now here you have to select this one and click here. So when you will click here, it will define the tile shapes. Okay. Now when you will select this face where you want to place the tiles. So if you want any texture, apply over here. First you have to apply a texture over here first. Okay. So just go to material option and here I have selecting board and just applying the board material over here. Okay. Now select the face. Now click here, generate custom tile option. And now here you can see that this already adjusted the x and y direction. If you want to change, you can change here like thickness, crotting, spacing, and uh, row spacing. So here you can see there is a mode, that is a material option. So here you have to click on a material mix option. If you have selected any material, apply the material over the surface. So just click here. Now click over generate option. So it will take a couple of seconds to generate a tile. Here you can see it's asking to save the CSV file. Actually, there is a CSV system added. If you want to save the tile numbers and floor area, then you have to click on a save option. If you don't want, then just cancel it. Now here you can see the total tiles are counted 321 and net area is 159 square feet. When you will click OK, other outer part will be deleted. So this is the custom tile system that we have used. You can use any kind of custom shapes and then apply by selecting the face to generate a custom tile. Okay. Now here on a second option, this one, when you will click here, you have to first select the face because without selecting face, it will not work. So first you have to select the face, then click here. And here you can see there is a multiple options available in a pattern like a grid, brick, 1/3 offset, random stagger, herringbone, basket bead, and wood plank. So here I'm starting from a wood plank. Okay. Before that, you have to apply material first. Any material that you want to apply, if you want to apply, because later it will be a little bit difficult when you will select a standard option, because in a standard option, it will be something like that. Here I'm just showing the uh, examples. So suppose I'm selecting wood plank and I'm not touching any parameters. If you want, you can just adjust the parameters. And here the gap is this and grout thickness will be I'm typing 0.2 inches only. Then click on a generate option. Here asking to save the CSV file. If you don't want, just cancel. And here you can see the area and the total tile number. Then click on a OK button. So here you can see this is a random grayscale pattern that is in a standard options. Okay. Now again select the face. Go here. So if you want apply material, you have to choose the multi-material first. Okay. There is a image mosaic options also available. So how it works, you have to select this one. And this time I'm selecting basket weave option. Here I am setting the parameters like 5 inches. And this one will be only 8 inches. Okay. Now thickness, you can decide, gap you can decide, and a grout thickness you can decide. Okay. Now you have to click on a generate option. Then you have to choose the any material that will act as a mosaic. So suppose if I select in this one and click on an open option, it will map the texture over the tile. So it will take a couple of seconds to match that parameter. Now here you have to cancel it and then click OK. Now here you can see any images, uh, image colors that will act like a mosaic, and here you can see the result. So this is the basket weave uh, tile option. Now second other one is I have to select the face again, and then here need to select a herringbone option. So three kind of material options is given here. Like a standard one will be like a shuffled colors of a gray, like a blue, gray and a white. the shades of white will be added in if you will select a standard. Multi-material means you have to apply material first and then generate option to apply material. You can change later if you want a different kind of material. And image or mosaic basically will help you to just select the image that will map the as a mosaic over the tile. Okay. So now here again I'm selecting multi-material option. So first we have to apply a material here. Okay. Now we have to set the parameter and then you have to click on the generate option. Then click cancel and then click OK. So here the result of the herringbone pattern. Now again selecting the face, go to here and there is a multiple option. Like if you want a grid, you have type the grid like 2 feet by 4 feet. And here the grout thickness, capping and other things. Okay. Before that, you can apply a materials like here I'm typing a stone types and then click on a generate option. Cancel and then OK. So here is the result. So every extra part will be trimmed out perfectly over the edges. Okay. So again, select this face option, click here and there are other options that will work same like a other tile. Okay. Now here I'm moving to other tile option that is a polygon tile. Okay, so this is the pro feature that you have currently unlocked. So when you will click here, here you can see polygon pattern is visible like a hexagon, octagon and diamond shape. So when you will click on a hexagon, you have to select the material type if you want to apply, and then you have to set the width, thickness, cap and grout thickness. So here I'm reducing the grout thickness. Gapping is a 1/4 inches, thickness is half inches. Okay, it will be like a 0.25. And when you will click on generate option, cancel and click OK. So here is the result. Here you can see hexagon pattern. Again, click here, go to here, select the different octagon pattern to 5 and click on a generate option. Okay, this is the type that you can generate using this floor type plugin. Okay, now it will work same. You have to always select the face and then select the tiles option and set the parameters. Okay, and then you have to click on a generate options. Okay, so I want gapping is only 0.1. Click on a generate option, cancel here, click OK. So here you can see what's happening. Actually the grout thickness is uh, almost same equal to tile thickness. That's why it's happening. So you have to always remember that when you are creating a tile, the grout thickness must be less, like a 0.2, and thickness will be more. Then it will be visible. Okay, like 0.3 or something. And here select hexagon, octagon pattern or diamond pattern, and click generate option, cancel, and OK. So here are the results. Okay. Now moving with the next other pro tile features, that is generate advanced patterns. So suppose when you will click here, before that you have to select the face, then click here, and now here you can see there's two more extra advanced pattern in this category. The first one is a bend mill and other is a hopscotch. So when you will select hopscotch, you have to select the parameters and then click on a generate option. Just cancel and click OK. This is the hopscotch pattern, and another one is that is the windmill pattern. So here I'm plugging a style pattern first and then click on a generate option, cancel, OK. Now here you can see the tile you can apply material directly from top. Okay, so this is the grout spacing that you can see right now. Now I'm moving for a next pattern, that is a irregular stone pattern, that is called a Voronoi pattern. So first select the face, click here, and here basically it will define with the densities. So one means more density, and greater number like equal to 20 will be big small density. It means that stone tile will be very less. So here I'm selecting 10, and you have to decide the thickness, grout gap, grout thickness, and material type. Okay, if you'll select mosaic, and when you'll click generate, you have to select the image first, like this one. I'm selecting this one, click on open. So this is a very complex pattern, so it will take a couple of seconds to generate. Okay, just you have to wait and then can cancel and then click OK. Here you can also find the total tiles options. If you want to export in a CSV file, you can export it. Otherwise, you can see the details over here also, like a total tile numbers and net area. Then you have to click OK buttons. Now this is the pattern. So if you will select mosaic, it will look like that. Without mosaic, it will act differently. And this time typing 20, and only multi-material mix options there. Then click generate option. Now click a cancel and OK. That's it. Here is the result. You can apply material from top if you want, just like that. So this is the plugin that will help you to generate different kind of tiles. That is very useful, guys, especially for interior design. And all thing that is included in this plugin explained properly. If you want this plugin, there is a link in a comment section. You can download through their link, and in a future update you'll also receive this plugin in advanced added features. So if you really like my YouTube channel, please share, subscribe, and like. See you next tutorial, guys. Thank you.